poem once again. Bits of paper lying on the floor, make a pick them up, pick them up,
Pick them
pick
up.
them up, pick them up. Like this, when you are picking up the paper, you should pick them up, pick them up.
Pick them up.
Let us sing. You will sing now. You will sing now. Sing. Who is singing? I am going to pin you in the camera.
Piece of paper lying on the floor.
Make the place tidy. Make the place tidy. Pick them up. Pick them up.
Pick up paper.
Yes. So now let us start the lesson. We are talking about cleanliness, right? So did you know that every year 8 million tons, just imagine 8 million tons of garbage is added added to our oceans, and 80% of it is from wastes from the mainland. Mainland are the main areas, the metropolitan cities. You can say, you can say the main
And the
cities.
continents.
Yes, the continents.
And the continents
Yes, the
and
continents.
islands.
Yes, not islands. I will explain you. Here is the meaning of mainland. Mainland are the main part of a country or continent, not including the islands around it. So you can see the mainland here. China mainland is given here. These are not including this country is not including these islands which are around here. So this is the mainland. So garbage which is produced from mainland is about 8 million tons every year, and 80% of it is dumped in the ocean. Just imagine. And oceans are becoming so dirty. This is a serious issue. But not everyone. This is a serious issue. But not
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
now is it coming?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. This is
No, ma'am.
okay.
No,
1 minute.
it's
I will use my headset. Okay. Just keep on continuing. Just keep. I will keep on reading the lesson. This is a serious issue, but not everyone is aware about it. We need to stand up against the global trash problem and clean up waste. In order to keep our planet clean and healthy, right? We have to pick up this step, and we have to clean our earth like this. We have to do something for this on a big that thing. It is a very big global issue, right? This can only happen once we take a small step to clean our homes, classes, and schools regularly. If we clean our homes and classes according to 3 R's, do you know what are 3 R's? Reduce, recycle, and reuse. Recycle. If you follow these rules, this can be controlled very nicely, because right garbage will go in right place. So this will reduce the garbage. So lots of useful garbage is thrown in the bin. That is why the garbage is increasing day by day. Let us read how Mohit of class 5 tried to maintain cleanliness in his class. Now this is a story of Mohit, and we are going to enjoy this story. What is the meaning of global? I will just discuss. You can see the picture here. Global, yes, affecting the whole world. Yes, anything which is affecting the whole world. Yes. Okay, you can read it. Okay, you can read it. Okay, start. Ayana has got nice. Yes, yes. Ayana is asking me to read. What? From cake. Wow. Using cake you made the model of the earth. You typed it. Acha. So what did you use to make the model of the earth? Clay. Acha, clay model. Right. Okay, now let us continue with the lesson. Okay, first word I explained you global. No, I will read first and then I'll ask everyone to read. Okay, turn by turn. First, let me finish this chapter and then I will ask you every day. I will ask you to read it. 5 minutes I will give you to reading. Yes. Second word was global here. So global means anything which is affecting the whole world. That is called global. So garbage is the global issue. Trash is the global issue. What is the meaning of maintain? Here. It is nicely explained here. Maintain is to make something continue at same level or standard. For example, there is a very nice proverb. Fake people have image to maintain. Real people just don't care. It is a nice quote. Okay, those people who are fake, they are always conscious about their performance and presentation. But real people as they are very good from inside, they are pure from inside, they are not bothered about it. They are not at all bothered about it because they don't do wrong things. If anybody is misunderstanding, that is his problem, right? So fake people always maintain their image. They have got many masks. Okay. Particular. What is the meaning of particular? Here. Particular. Strict. Very strict. Now here you can see the whole family. The whole family is particular about cleanliness. That means parents are strict and all the children, mama, papa, everybody is busy cleaning the home. Anna? My voice is not coming clearly. You mute yourself. Then it is breaking so much. Okay, I will change my net. I'm just changing my net then. Here we go. Tell me whether my voice is clear or not. Is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear now? Children? Hello? Is my voice clear now? Can you hear me now? Hello?